step-by-step guide how to use a microwave. Step 0. Get the microwave from your local electrical store. Step 1. Get your food from yesterday and place the boxes onto the counter. Step 2. Put your food on a plate that can go in the microwave. Step 3. Grab your plate and open the microwave. Place the lid over the food so it doesn't splatter in the microwave. Step 5. Set the microwave to the highest temperature possible. Some microwaves have 600 watt and some have 1000 watt. Press the start and wait till the timer goes to 0. Step 6. Now you have a hot plate and cold food. Do step 6 one more time if you would like to have hot food. Step 7. Take out your super duper mega hot plate with your lukewarm food on. If you want your super duper fucking giga mega hot plate and hot food, do step 6 one more time. Step 8. Now you have your food ready and hot. Enjoy.